Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Come on in, have a seat, relax, and enjoy. Let's lower the camera a little bit, looking kind of short. Today I'm going to be talking about Amazon Flex. Now, if you don't know what Amazon Flex is, it's essentially a delivery app for Amazon. And there's one weird thing about it, it's not on the Play Store, so if you're going to look for it on the Play Store, you're probably not going to find it. And I had that issue with it since I've been working on DoorDash and doing Uber Eats and stuff like that. I have heard about Amazon Flex and I wanted to download it, but I could never find it on the Play Store, and I was like, maybe it's not on here. So my brother continued to tell me about it, and I actually went and searched it up on Google and I downloaded it. So what makes Amazon Flex different than other gig apps? So if you've done anything like DoorDash or Uber Eats, you know that you get 1 to 2 contracts and you gotta go and fill them out, and they take anywhere from 15 minutes to an hour and a half, 2 hours. You get an order, you go and pick up an order. Obviously, you could stack orders, you could get multiple orders from one restaurant that have close proximity to one another, and then go and complete them and get money for 2 gigs, I would call it 2 gigs, 2 gigs rather than just one. But the bad thing about the restaurant industry in that regard is sometimes both of those orders are not ready at the same time, so you have to wait longer at the restaurant, and then it takes forever to get the order to get it to the customer in time. Now, Amazon Flex is essentially just delivering Amazon packages, but you're not an employee for Amazon. You're an independent contractor who uses their own vehicle. And the good thing about Amazon Flex is you get multiple contracts within one contract, or multiple deliveries within one contract rather. So you go and pick up about 10 to 20 packages, maybe more, depending on how big your vehicle is. You could pick up more packages, and then you go and deliver them, and the houses are in close proximity to one another. And the good thing about Amazon Flex is all those packages arrive at one time, so you're not picking up one package and waiting around for another. You just go and pick up a bundle and go and start delivering them. Now, the thing I really like about Amazon Flex in that regard is you essentially have about 4 hours of work from one contract, and you can make up to like $100 in 4 hours, which is pretty good pay. So yeah, you go and pick up the packages, and then you continue to deliver them for about 4 hours. Now, it is more of a commitment than DoorDash. You could go on DoorDash and then log out after 15 minutes after you're done with one delivery, if you choose to do so. You gotta make a bit more of a commitment with Amazon Flex, in that you have to complete the 15 or 10 or 20 deliveries that you picked up, which is why I like it more. I feel like I don't like the fact that you have to go and pick up every contract and then go through the decision of, do I want to do this one? Is it enough money? And like doing it every 15 minutes, and sometimes just sitting around waiting for the right order, that wastes time. And Amazon Flex kind of eliminates that, and also eliminates the problem of stacking orders. So that's why I like it. If you're anything like me, I'm the type of person that doesn't like structure that much, just because I feel like in a 9 to 5, there's no freedom whatsoever. You have to go from 9 to 5, and it's really hard to get time off if you need time off for something, and you have to go into that same environment day in, day out. So it really takes away your freedom in many ways when you're an employee. And when you're an independent contractor, it's really nice because you're working on your time. You're working when you choose to work. You're your own boss. You're not getting shit from people. You choose what's good for you and what's not. So in that regard, I feel like the gig economy is absolutely amazing. DoorDash is amazing, but I don't like the fact that you have to wait around for orders. In Amazon Flex, you could get like a gig that provides you a day's worth of money. If one gig doesn't, then it's 2 gigs, but you don't have to do 20, 30 orders like DoorDash to have that happen. Like, you pick up a lot of packages, you deliver those packages. The quicker you are, the more money you make throughout the day, and it's all just positive. But one thing about Amazon Flex is it is quite difficult to land gigs. Most of my audience knows that I live in California and I signed up for Amazon Flex, I want to say about 5 days ago now. I gotta admit, um, I did choose the times and the dates that I would assume are pretty popular because I chose from like 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Not a lot of people in the gig economy want to wake up early. The hustlers, the ones that are really after it, usually do wake up early, but I chose a time where it would be kind of convenient for me. And then I chose weekdays as well. And it's really not giving me any gigs. It says I'm on the list for gigs, and when they come up, I will be offered one, I guess. And I honestly did expect it to be pretty busy, but I didn't expect it to take 5 days to offer me a gig just because obviously there's a lot of drivers, but Amazon is so popular, and one would assume that there's packages all the time, day in and day out. I guess the van companies that kind of subcontract under Amazon take care of a lot of that. But even still, I was expecting to be offered a gig. If you guys went through this process, if you guys signed up for Amazon Flex, please let me know how long it takes to get a gig, or start getting gigs after you're on the list. So essentially, after you sign up, how long does it take to get offered jobs? I haven't been offered any. Is there anything I should be doing differently? Should I sign up for different times and then decline them if I don't like them? Let me know what I should be doing. I'm here to learn from you guys as well as to offer you information that you guys don't know or you guys weren't aware of. Anyways, guys, that's all for today. That was my first impression of Amazon Flex. I really do like the idea of it. I don't know how much I'll like it once I start doing it, but I was a pretty big fan of DoorDash and Uber Eats and stuff like that. So I'm sure I like the freedom of it as well as the independence that independence and freedom are similar. But as well as doing my own thing, doing being my own boss, stuff like that. So hope you guys have an amazing day. Hope this video helped. If it did, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If it didn't and you thought it was a waste of time, hit that dislike button and let me know in the comment section, and let me know how I could improve. But anyways, hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video.